Okay. All right. To use OES, you need to have a browser on your system. You can either use Chrome. Most especially, we always advise people to use Chrome because Chrome is the fastest browser in the world today. So we use Chrome. You can use Chrome. You can use Internet Explorer. You can use Mozilla. But I would advise you that you should use Chrome. So I open up my Chrome and I type. The website name is oes.com.ng and click enter. Now this is going to open up. When this open up, the first thing you need to do on the site is to go to sign up. If you don't have a PIN and you have never used the site before, just go to sign up and you fill in the information. You fill in your profile. The first name is important, the last name is important, but we always also advise you because of um, us being able to mark your script. We advise you that you should also put in the instructor email address or the parent email address, and for your own information, for you to be able to retrieve your username and password, put in your student email address. If you don't have, use your dad's email address or your mom email address, which is your parent. Then you select all the, fill in all the other information. All the other information is also important because we want the local government in which you are, or the state government, or the school in which you visited or you are in, to be able to measure your performance and if possible treat you accordingly. And your username and password is also very important. After you have done this, um, you now go to the login. um, you go to the login interface. Okay, before you even go to the login interface, on clicking create user, you're going to be given. Okay, let me just do that so that I can see. um, okay, I'm going to just tell the system to autofill all the process for me, and hence some of it has been filled, and I'll type in info as email address, my email address. I'll put this as instructor email address, and I'll also put info as my parent email address. Then I'm in none, so I'll pick me. I'll pick KSS1, or let me just say, let me pick SS1, and I pick school science, the school in which I've attended. um, I'll pick Nigeria here. Okay, I pick Nigeria. Then can you see this has already come out because I picked Nigeria and all the states in Nigeria. I pick Lagos, and the local government in which I am is Lagos, or I can maybe pick Kosofe, anyone, whichever local government in which you're working from. You can just write it there, and you can just say, you type in the page, simple words that you will remember, and I can still copy this. I'll put it here, put it here, then I'll say tell it to. Okay, can you see this? I put plus. I'm not supposed to put plus. Can you see the information at the right hand side? So I'm going to remove this, and I'm just going to try it again. Please watch all this information, the notes at the right hand side of the file you try to create, and I'll click submit. Say okay. Now it's going to open up a three screen for me. I mean three bundles. Okay. The first bundle The first bundle contains the primary school. If you're in basic 1 to 6, you should pick that. If you're in basic 7, 8, 9, then SS1, SS2, SS3, you should pick this. Oh, sorry. If you're in basic, if you're in primary school and basic 1 and 7, 8, 9, you should pick the first one. If you're in SS1, SS2, SS3, you should pick this, and you also want to do your UTME and post UTME, you should pick this. And for you too, if you want to do international exams like SAT, like IGCSE, you should pick the last one. But we are focusing on the primary school, the junior secondary school, and the senior secondary school bundle. So you can pick any one. Now, can you see you have a free pin also? Sometimes it doesn't give you a free pin when you don't, when it doesn't, he doesn't think that you need to get a free pin. But now we are lucky we have a free pin. So I'm picking this, the senior secondary school, and I'll put the pin in here. Now the pin is what you are meant to buy. So if you don't have, just click here to buy the pin. We use InterSwitch. So um, let me just activate so that you can see how the inside looks like. Now I've activated. Now you can see that the account balance is, the account balance will be calculated when you log in again. That means your profile has not been carried along with you. So what you need to do in that sense is just log out, and you now type, I guess that's the password I used. Okay, good, beautiful. That's the password I use. But because you have a trial, can you remember that we were given a free pin? It's a trial that once after you log in like 2 or 3 times, it will be cut off, and it will ask you to buy a new pin. So with the senior secondary school bundle, which is the SS bundle, or the UPE bundle, you are given an opportunity to do 3 exams. I mean, you can practice to prepare for 3 exams. Wonderful. Can you see that's very, very wonderful? Um, but I'm not going to be going deep into that because it's your normal exams in school. But what the reason why we are doing this is because to show you the features of the application. So um, if you are able to log in before August 1st, or within the August period, you will be able to you'll be given also a chance to do a free lecture, to have a free lecture on software, on HTML software. And if I click on it, it's going to go take you inside to HTML HTML interface. And this is wonderful. I mean, this kind of software, learning that kind of software will may cost you like 80,000 Nigerian naira. 80,000 naira if you have to, go to NIT or all these institutions that are actually teaching or training on these skills. So can you see? Now, for you to start the training, you have 0. This is where your mark shows what you've been doing. I mean, the pattern, the study pattern, and this is also the advice that is given to you or what you think you need to do. So, if you look at this, um, you can select this. If you select this, that means it's going to show you this. I mean, and this is the training, and this is where you get to start the training, and this is where the video is. The same thing applies to all other topics on the UTME, post UTME, and SSE subsequently. Because we have not started the lecture, that's why the weekly assignment is not showing. So by August 1st, this should start showing. Okay, all right. I mean, that is good for now. So we expect to hear from you and your feedbacks, and we hope this will be able to guide you and help you through what you need to do. Mind you, when you're doing the training, please be sure to use this. The IDE, the development environment, and the recommendations are recommendations for the training, and because that's going to really help you. It's going to be hands-on experience on how to do it. Okay, thank you very much. Um, See you soon. Okay, bye.